It's the early 2000s, you work in the city and your banker's bonus has just come through. All your friends at the golf club bought the Ferrari 360, but you wanted something a little bit rarer. This, the CL65, one of just 20 in the UK. AMG fans, you're going to like this video. This car is something of a legend. It's the Mercedes C215, essentially the coupe of the S-Class from the early 2000s, except this is the AMG variant, and it's not the ordinary AMG variant, it's the V12. That's right, this is the CL65 featuring the 6-litre V12 Biturbo engine. This car was limited to something like 615 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque because Mercedes thought that the rest of the car wouldn't be able to handle any more than that. So that 1,000 newton-meters of torque is just a little bit less than a Bugatti Veyron, which produces something like 1,250. So this car is serious. And don't forget, all of that power and torque goes through the rear wheels. And it's not just the power plant up front, which we'll show you more of in a moment. It's the car itself, that iconic pillarless coupe design. But look at it, it's looking pretty immaculate, and there's a very good reason for that. This car's just been at Topaz for our level 3 correction detail, which offers up to a 95% correction factor, meaning that this car is looking as good as it did all the way back in 2004. Bear in mind that this car is over 2 decades old. The engineering excellence is throughout. I mean, look at these door hinges. The way it's got a double hinge, which allows the door to open more without ending up something like all the way over here, you know, in the supermarket car park, because these are long doors. And then the interior, I think, has aged really well, especially after our detail. You'll see in the footage that we'll show you in a moment. We've gone over this car inside and out. We've got rid of the sticky buttons. We've de-shined the steering wheel. This car really looks like a nice place to be now. Before, it was nice, but it was a little bit tired. And then under the bonnet is that legendary V12 AMG Biturbo, similar to which is still found in the likes of the Pagani Huayra. As mentioned, over 615 horsepower, 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This car is an animal. It must absolutely get through rear tires, completely nuts. Of course, we've gone all the way around the engine bay, tidied everything up in here as well. But the size of that lump wedged in that engine bay, of course it's a big car, but that is a big engine, so it's impressive engineering that they managed to fit that in there at all. Looking down here, hopefully you can really appreciate the gloss in that paintwork from 3 stages of paint correction. But what I wanted to show you was these split rims, the twin 5-spoke split rim AMG wheels. They're iconic, and of course sitting on our favorite Michelin tires. I mentioned the Ferrari 360 as an alternative to this car, and one of this car's many headlines is the price. In 2004, this cost around about £120,000. To put that into perspective, a Ferrari 360 was £110,000. So to opt for one of these with the full-fat V12 was a seriously baller move. As mentioned, something like 20 of these in the UK and 777 worldwide. Not quite the number of the beast, but there's no denying that this car is a beast. It looks amazing now. That obsidian black paintwork is so glossy, but it didn't look quite that nice when it came to us. However, it's been here for our level 3 detail. So as you can see now, it is looking really rather stunning. So now let's jump into the process of exactly how we made this car look this good with our level 3 detail. quickly looking around the back of the CL65, yes, 65, those two numbers are so cool. The boot, all the way back in the early 2000s, open just like a normal boot. I don't really want to touch it to get fingerprints on it because it is so immaculate, but let me show you this. Soft close boot, over 20 years old, still works. But far more importantly, the badges. We had to remove all these badges, of course, for our level 3 detail. And here at Topaz, we actually have the technology to laser cut the double-sided tape that allows these badges to stick exactly back where they were before without any uneven bumps, any gaps, or any risk of them falling off. So it looks just like OEM, but we've had the chance to polish underneath and not leave any swirls and scratches in between the letters, which of course would be the alternative. So that was the iconic CL65 AMG, here for one of our iconic treatments, of course, the level 3 detail, which has completely brought this car back to life. If you enjoy this video, if you like seeing videos on cool older cars, then do make sure to let us know down in the comments, and we'll do our very best to bring you the next one very soon.